Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be reacting to cat memes. I was going to guys trying to do gymnastics, but I already searched that up, and my friend Blair recommended it to me, but there's nothing pretty much that popped up for Pinterest. So I decided to do cat memes, but it was a good idea, Blair. Anyway, let's just get on. And so let's see. Why does a human slave keep stealing my poop with a tiny shovel? If I was that cat, that's exactly what my face would look like. Right there, if someone was stealing my poop with a tiny shovel. Liar! We're going to the Vietnam McDonald's. Exactly how I would feel. How do you tell if your cat is fully charged? Yep. Oh gosh, that's actually kind of freaky. His eyeballs are glowing. Did I just hear someone open a bag of chips? The cat traps are working. They're all in boxes. Please don't let out the cat, no matter what it tells you. Help cat air, Ned's air. This girl is on fire. Good. Let me get my marshmallows. Have you ever tried to eat a clock? It's very time consuming. That face. Oh, that's... Country, the dog party, let me out, let me out. Oh, I love that one. Yeah. Haha, human, you're so funny. Oh, I see. Cat slippers. This is one heavy cat. Oh my. That is a heavy cat. What's that? Oh no. Ugh. I hear my cat crying in the bathroom. Walking in, I see this. Some people need just need to. So, want to tell me where you've been? That's my cat when I get home. And why you smell like dog? Oh, hide and seek level creepy. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Okay, cow poop. Yes, I definitely stepped in cow poop. I hate nature. Okay, that's all I have for today's video. But it's short. And make sure you guys comment down for that on Pinterest, and I can react to it. So, yeah, bye!